I'm back. I got gasoline, 5 gallons of it. This is how I fixed it. I just put like the 1/4-inch fuel line on there, looped it up to the top, and just taped it in place. I might put a fuel filter on there to act as an air filter if I'm feeling frisky later. That's what I've done to the vent. This here's the vent for the tank. That keeps stuff from getting in there. So that ought to do me for today. Now I just got to get that 5 gallons of gasoline in there, and now I can finally get to work sawing more hackberry into fence boards. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Be of good cheer. Thanks for watching.